PNKKODW's ultrasonic cleaners come in multiple tank sizes and are aimed at users who want adjustable power, digital timers, and heater options without breaking the bank. Typical product specs call out 40 kHz cleaning frequency, digital timer, and heating elements, and the multi-transducer designs in larger models promise stronger cleaning action for jewelry, watches, optics, and small mechanical parts. Listings for PKW models show several size options and generally highlight the solid cleaning performance for hobbyists and small lab use. In real-world testing and user videos, PKW machines are praised for their straightforward interface and reliable cavitation. They remove grease and build up well when used with warm water or light detergent. The brand sells to watchmakers, jewelers, dental hygienists, and hobbyists. Larger models with multiple transducers are well suited for heavier work, while the 2L variants are great for daily jewelry and retainer cleaning. Some user feedback points to the need for occasional recalibration or careful handling of the drain valve on bigger tanks, but most buyers find the price-to-performance ratio attractive. If you want a flexible cleaner that comes in different sizes and keeps the features you need, timer, heater, stainless tank, PKW is a practical choice. Perfect for home labs, watch repairers, and small workshops. And as usual, we share by links in description box.